Okay guys, welcome back. So NVDA, what's going on today? IV crash. Implied volatility crashed big time and it has a lot more to go. Price wise, NVDA's flat and tomorrow, big event, FOMC. So what I'm watching for this stock from here now on. If you are just for the first time on my channel, well, if you have time, check out these videos about Nvidia. You can pull every one of them. My accuracy has been, again, pretty spot on, except for 20%, another 20% drop, which was March 10th, but I'm still waiting on that one. But what I'm watching in terms of technical levels for NVDA, like ultra short term right here, right now. So implied volatility. Before I get into this, I want to just show you guys just pure one example, right? So a lot of people were trading $1,000 strike price going into the event, right? Yeah, stock didn't drop as much, but right here, right now, stock is at the same level as it was yesterday. $1,000 strike price for this week. Yesterday, the lowest you could get it was $6. Some people paid 14, some people paid 20, 18, 24, 26. Instantly in the morning, back to $1, and today's high is $2. That is implied volatility crash. We can go in the money. We can go to a $900 call. Same situation. Yesterday, the lowest you could get it was 24, and you could break even today barely if you didn't shake out at $10 in the morning. But you get the point. IV still high in Nvidia. I'm not saying that it has crashed. That's it. It's a good time to buy. It can still come down if Nvidia just chops around here. Maximum pain for this stock. I showed you guys yesterday that $840 this week. If it closes around that level, 860, 840, stock, many people will lose on premium, both on the call side and put side. And since put side was very heavy, call side was very heavy, I'm gonna assume that it will not break above $1,000 at least this week, no matter what Jerome Powell is going to say. Ultra short term, you can see where this stock is, what it has been doing. Well, I'm going to call it distribution at this point right here, right now. So they're slowly unloading funds, hedge funds. Ultra short term. This is my resistance trend line on an hourly chart. Okay. So all-time highs and yesterday's highs and today's highs. So I had it today in the morning, so almost touched it. Almost touched 900, pulling back slightly, but we have an event tomorrow. 860, 840, that range will be the most painful for people, but I can already tell today alone a lot of premiums got burned. If we take a look at the option activity today, there's still a lot of calls being traded. I cannot tell if these are being closed out. 900,000, almost give or take 1 million shares of calls, 576,000 puts. If you take a look at the delta, 380,000 0 to 20 and 0 to 40. So basically half of this is outside of the money. Maybe not half, maybe even more than half actually. Yeah, 70-80% outside of the money calls being traded. So that means we'll see. It could be calls being, I'm sure in the morning a lot of people lost. They just got out, okay? They just couldn't take it anymore and they just got out. And as soon as it started taking off, it sucked in maybe more people. But I'm watching this trend line as a resistance for the rest of the week, and I'm going to be watching 860, 840 as a support for the rest of the week. So that's the update for NVDA. If you're new, consider subscribing. See you in the next one.